Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need your Apple ID signed in, Wi-Fi active, and the device plugged in so backups can run. Once ready, open Settings, tap your name at the top, then choose iCloud. This takes you straight to storage and backup controls. Make sure iCloud Drive and Photos are set how you expect, because those affect backup size. After that, tap iCloud Backup to view current status and the last backup timestamp. This is your first. Once on iCloud Backup, check the last backup date and time to confirm recency. If it's old, you'll want to run one. Next, tap Manage Storage and choose Backups to see all devices using your iCloud. Select the device in question and inspect the app level list to understand which apps consume space. This explains backup size and helps you decide what to include or exclude. Make adjustments by toggling apps off. Changes affect future backups, not past ones. To finish, run a manual backup by tapping Backup Now and watch for progress. Do not close settings until it completes. Once done, verify success by confirming the updated timestamp, and if needed, check Manage Storage to see the new backup size. If the backup fails, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi, have enough iCloud storage, and are signed into the correct Apple ID. Also, restart the device and retry. These steps resolve the most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.